Assalamualaikum. I will start the presentation with our index page of Uitm Jasin Jpnr house booking portal. In this page, we have three users: student, landlord, and also the admin. And I will start with the landlord. And if you click, it will direct to the landlord sign-in form, and you need to fill your IC number and also the password. But I will show how to create an account, and it will direct to the register new account form, and you need to fill all the blanks here: your full name, your RC number, your contact number, your email, and also your password. If you click on the submit button, it will show the message here: you have successfully registered, please go back and sign in, and it will direct to the sign in form, and just need to sign in with your IC number and also your password, and click on the sign in, and if it is successful, it will direct to the dashboard of landlord.
When landlord successfully log into the system, then it will bring landlord to this page. So here we can see the navigation, which are home, dashboard, bookings, my account, and also sign up. To get started, landlord can click this button, then it will bring landlord to dashboard page. In dashboard page, landlord can view all their houses. So here, there you can see all the house details for this landlord. So we can see the house image, the address, the booking price, the price per month, and so on. In this page also, landlord can add new house and update and also delete. So first, let's go to add house. Here it will bring to add house page. So here now I will insert all the details. Price per month. So for this, landlord can just leave it blank because it is optional. Code. City. If the landlord have not entered the state yet and they click the add button, then it will display please fill out this field. So we need to fill out the state field. And here landlord can also add house picture. So I will choose the picture. Then landlord can click add button. When it is successfully being added to the database, then it will display house successfully added. We will click OK. Now let's see here. The house that we have inserted before have already been inserted, have already been displayed in this page. So now let's update this house. Click update. Okay, now then it will bring us to the update house details page. So I will update here because this is too pricey. Let's here. I've changed it to 1,500. So let's click update. Then it will set house details have been successfully updated. Click OK. Let's see if the change be updated. So now see, from 2,000 it have updated to 1,500. Okay, now let's delete. When we click delete button, then it will display confirmation. So here it asks house details will be permanently deleted. So if we click cancel, then it will bring us back to the dashboard page. If we click OK, then it will display house details have been successfully deleted. So now you can see the house that we have deleted before have no longer exist in this page. So done with dashboard. Let's go to bookings page. In bookings page, landlord can view all the students' bookings. So here there is a pending bookings and also updated bookings. For pending bookings, it means the booking status have not been approved yet. So we need landlord confirmation first. So here you can see the booking status is pending. We can also see this house was booked by who. So here this room was booked by SITI AISHAH, and we can see the student's email, also number of beds, the date of entry, date of leave, and also here we can see booking status is still pending. So here, in here, this is the updated bookings, which means the bookings have already been either approved or not approved. So here we can see the booking status is not approved. So if the students have already paid, then the landlord can click approve. Okay, see, this room have already been approved. So if landlord click approve button, then this room or house, the status house status will automatically updated to not available. So here let's see this room number 24. Let's go to dashboard to see. Okay, now as you can see, this room from available it changed to not available. Let's go back to the bookings page, and now the booking status is approved. And if the landlord click disapprove, the house status is still available. So let's see, we click disapprove. Now the booking status has already been not approved. Okay, done with booking page, then we will go to my account. In my account, landlord can see their details. So here it will display their name, full name, we can see the IC number, email, number phone, and also password. If landlord can also update their detail. So let's say I want to update new number phone, I will change to 56262. Then if we click update, then it will say you have successfully updated your details. And now you can see the number phone have successfully been updated. Okay, last, landlord can sign out the system.
Now I will continue the system demonstration for student user. So for new students, they will need to register first before they could log in into the system. So the student will need to click on the student button and it will redirect to the student login page. In this page, the student will need to click on this create an account button and it will redirect to the student registration page. So in this page, the student will need to fill in their full name, student ID, email, and password. After the student have filled in all of the required data, the student will need to click on the submit button and a message will tell the student that they have successfully registered. So now the student will need to click on this OK button and it will redirect to the student login page. So in this page, the student will need to insert their student ID and password. And then click on the sign in button and it will redirect to the student homepage. So next, the student can view the houses that are available in this system. To do that, they will need to click on this houses button or click on the start browsing button. So it will redirect to the student view house page. So in this page, it displays the houses image, the price rent per month, the type of rent, number of packs, address, number of bedroom, number of bathroom, additional note, name of landlord, contact number of landlord, and then booking price per packs. Next, if the student is interested in any of these houses, they will need to click on this book now button and it will redirect to the student booking form page. So in this page, it will display the house detail that the student chose, and on the right side is the form that the student need to fill in. The student will need to fill in the number of occupants, date of entry, and date of leave. After the student have filled in all of the required data, the student will need to click on this next button and it will redirect to the student confirmation booking page. So in this page, it will display the data that the student have inserted just now, and then it will calculate the total booking price that the student needs to pay. So if the student is confirmed with the booking details, they will need to click on the book now button and a message will tell the student that the student have successfully requested a booking. So the student will need to click OK and then it will redirect back to the student bookings page and the status of the booking. So this status will be updated by the landlord afterwards. And then if the student want to cancel their booking, they will need to click on this cancel booking button and it will ask the student for confirmation to delete the booking detail permanently. So if the student want to cancel, they will need to click on the cancel button and it will redirect back to the student bookings page. So if the student want to cancel the booking permanently, the student will need to click on this OK button, and the student booking detail have been successfully deleted from the system. So now the student will need to click on the OK button and it will redirect back to the student bookings page. So now the student booking detail have been deleted from the system. Next, the student can view their personal detail. To view that, they will need to click on this My Account button and it will redirect to the student account page. In this page, the student can view the full name, student ID, email, and password. So the student can update their data by clicking on this update button and it will redirect to the student update form page. The student will need to insert their new data or leave it as is. So I will update this. Now the student will need to click on this update button and then a message will tell the student that the data have been successfully updated. Click OK and it will redirect back to the student account page. So now we can see that the data for full name, email and password have been successfully updated. Now I will show the About Us page. In this page, it tells a little bit about our team. This is Siti AISHAH, the team leader of this project. This is me, the lead programmer of this project. This is Nur Shaira, the lead documenter of this project. And this is AHMAD TAQIYUDIN, the programmer of this project. After the student have done browsing the system and they want to log out of their account, they will need to click on this sign out button and it will redirect back to the index page.
Okay, next we will go to the admin part. Admin can click admin button to go to the admin sign in page. Okay, then admin need to input the admin ID and password. After enter the admin ID and password, admin need to click on the sign in button to enter the system. Okay, after sign in, admin will be taken to the dashboard page. On this page, admin can view the pie chart and that display the total number of houses that have been added by landlords. As you can see, there are 6 total registered houses, 3 of which have been booked by student and the remaining 6 are still open for bookings. Also, there are 2 boxes below that the pie chart show that the total number of registered landlord and student in the system. So there are 3 landlords and 6 students that have been registered into the system. Okay, next we go to the view user. Admin can view 2 types of user, which are student and landlord. First, we go to the student detail. On this page, admin can view all the registered student details. Details are student name, student ID, and student email. Admin also can search student in the search box. Admin can only search student by enter the student ID in the search box. For example, I put this student ID. Then click the search button or press the enter key. Okay, and then after press the enter key, it shows that the student ID is for Abdul Aziz bin Ahmad. Also, the search box is limited to only enter for integer number because student ID is set in integer number. This is because we need to avoid any error for the searching. Okay, next we go to the landlord details. Basically, the landlord detail page is same as the detail page, but with different details. That only for landlord. For which are landlord name, landlord IC number, landlord email, and landlord contact number. And in the search box, admin can choose landlord by their name. For example, I want to choose landlord name Haziq, so I just put Haziq in the search box, then press enter, and it show the detail of the landlord name Muhammad Aziz bin Khairul. Okay, next we go to the view house. On this page, admin can view all the houses and its detail that added by landlords. Also, this page only shows the houses that the status is available for student to make a booking. As you can see, this house is still available, also this house available, and this house is also available. You can see all the detail for the house that available for student to make a booking. Okay, next we go to the view booking. On this page, admin can view all the request booking details that have been made by student. As you can see, there are three students that made that have been request for the same house at Taman Lipat Kajian Perdana. And the booking status for all these three students is still pending because landlord for that house is still not responding to their request whether to approve or not. You can see the booking status is still pending. And this also is still pending. Okay. Also, we have another example for the house Jalan Mayang Lestari 2, Taman Mayang Lestari. There are two students that request for the same house, for this house, but the booking status is approved for Amir Hafiz bin Saifullah and not approved for Muhammad Amru bin Ali. Okay, that's all for the admin page. Thank you.